Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to turn off the always on option on your LG Smart TV. So this will stop you from seeing the clock when you turn off or perhaps some images. Let's get started. Press and hold the settings button to bring up the main settings menu. Once you see this, use the directional keys to go down to general. Once here, we go across and we go down one to always ready, and this is basically always on. And as it says here, when this device is turned off, it switches to always ready to provide optimized wallpaper, voice recognition, and mobile device music playback. We go across one here. You can see the function is currently enabled. So all we need to do is click to disable that option. So now when you power off your TV, it will power off, allowing you to save power. You won't see the clock and you won't see images if you'd already signed up to the LG Gallery. I hope you found that useful. Please give the video a thumbs up if it has helped. I have many more videos on the LG Smart TV on my channel, so feel free to peruse. Thanks a lot for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.